So this is Blizzard, aka Little B. Please, no judgment on her body condition. She has been really sick. She got sick. I don't know. Probably shortly after I bred her. She got a worm load. Fixed that. She got bullied. She got dehydrated. Fixed that. We separated her from the herd, so she hung out with the bottle calf for quite a while. Started getting better. Then she got the diarrhea because she got into the corn, and she got into the corn, a lot of corn. So her rumen shut down. So we have been probably going on, I don't know, 3 weeks trying to get her rumen started. Couldn't get the diarrhea stopped, so coccidiosis was confirmed. So we started treatment for coccidiosis. Came home Friday, and she was down, flat, cold. So brought her in the house, warmed her up, been treating her for coccidiosis, dehydration. We've got Rescue 911 we've been giving her, warm molasses water we've been giving her, probiotics, vitamin B, thiamine. I mean, I've been doing all the stops. So today, like I said, we brought her in on Friday, and she was pretty unresponsive. So today is really the first day that she's been out and about. She's in the house because it's super cold outside. She's drinking electrolytes, in case you're wondering what it is she's drinking. But so she's been in the house for a little bit, and will not go out until I feel like she is in better body condition. She has a normal temperature now. We did at one point give her LA 200, thinking that maybe she had pneumonia. She's going to spill water everywhere. But currently she's helping me fold laundry. Huh, B? Huh? You're just helping me fold laundry. You're just helping me fold laundry? Yeah. And she's getting a little bit of wag in her tail back. And she smiles. Say smiles, huh? Can you smile? Can you say hi to everybody? Can you say hi to everybody? Anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you a rundown. I always think about it after the fact, but I should have been pretty much telling everybody what I was doing, when I was doing, and how I was doing it in order to save her life. But that's basically the rundown of what we got going on. So we are on the track to be healthy again, and probably another 4 or 5 days in the house, and she'll probably be all right. Anyway, I hope everybody has a blessed day.